Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafira Fahmi and I'm here to talk about what is calculus and what is function. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for watching our videos for this topic. Good job! Okay, before we get down to business, let's ask ourselves, what is calculus? Calculus is fundamentally different from the mathematics that we have seen before. This is because calculus is mathematics that deal with changes. Let's look at this simple example.
Kereta ni boleh jalan 25 km dalam 1 jam dan ia dah jalan 3 jam. Bermaksud kita dah jalan 75 km lah kan? Tapi mesti ada masalah dalam perjalanan kita. Maybe pakcik kat depan ni jalan sangat lambat dan kelajuan kita naik dan turun. Dalam kata lain, kelajuan kita berubah. Sekarang kita ada problem yang lebih realistik. So, apa yang kita perlu buat? Jawapannya ialah kita gunakan calculus. Let's move on to the next example. Untuk balloon, kita akan selalu assume yang ia ialah sphere. So, kita akan guna formula ni. Tapi, bila volume dia berkurang, kita dah tak boleh guna formula yang sama. Oleh itu, kita kena gunakan calculus supaya kita dapat jumlah yang betul.
This is why we have to learn calculus, because we need to deal with changes in our daily life. More than 2,500 years ago, ancient Greeks found areas using the method of exhaustion.
Method of exhaustion is a method of finding the area of a shape by inscribing inside it a sequence of polygons whose areas converge to the area of containing shape. Method of exhaustion ni macam pemula lah bagi calculus.
Now that we have learned about calculus, we're going to talk about function. A function relates an input to an output. Is like a machine that has an input and an output. The output is related somehow to the input. In everyday life, many quantities depend on one or more changing variables. For an instance, the area of the circle depends on the radius of the circle. The distance on object travels from an initial location along a straight line path depends on its speed. And these marks depend on attitude, listening in lectures and doing tutorials. The letter S, called the independent variable, represent the input value, while function and Y, the dependent variable, represent the corresponding output value of function at S. In each case, the value of one variable quantity, which we might call Y, depends on the value of another variable quantity, which we call as X. Since the value of Y is completely determined by the value of X, we say that Y is a function of X and is written by Y is equal to the function of X. A function is a rule that relates how one quantity depends on other quantities. But a function has special rules, such as it must work for every possible input value. Second is it has only one relationship for each input value. When a relationship does not follow those two rules, then it is not a function. It is still a relationship, just not a function.